IKEA SUNNERSTA, IKEA SUNNERSTA kitchenette. The IKEA SUNNERSTA is a compact, versatile kitchen and storage solution series, primarily designed for small spaces like apartments, dorms. The SUNNERSTA collection focuses on providing affordable, easy-to-install products that help optimize kitchen space by offering clever storage and organization solutions. Key features of IKEA SUNNERSTA: 1. Compact design. The SUNNERSTA series is specifically designed for small kitchens or living spaces. Its compact products make it perfect for areas where space is limited. 2. Affordable and functional. True to IKEA's ethos, the SUNNERSTA range is budget-friendly, offering practical and affordable solutions without compromising on style or functionality. 3. Flexible and customizable. The modular nature of the collection allows users to create custom kitchen storage solutions. The items can be combined or used individually depending on your specific needs. 4. Wall-mounted storage. One of the standout features of the SUNNERSTA range is its wall-mounted storage solutions, such as rails, hooks, and containers, that help free up countertop space while keeping kitchen tools and utensils within easy reach. 5. Portable solutions. Many SUNNERSTA products are lightweight and easy to move, such as carts that can be relocated around the kitchen or even used in other rooms for additional storage. Popular products in the IKEA SUNNERSTA range: SUNNERSTA Rail, a wall-mounted rail with hooks and containers that lets you hang utensils, towels, or even small pots and pans, saving countertop space. SUNNERSTA Trolley, a portable kitchen cart with multiple levels, providing extra storage or counter space. It's compact and can be wheeled around easily, making it ideal for small kitchens or multi-use spaces. SUNNERSTA Mini Kitchen, a complete mini kitchen unit featuring a sink, countertop, and open shelving, perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or temporary kitchens. SUNNERSTA Containers, small containers that can be hooked onto the rail to hold utensils, cutlery, or even spices. In summary, the IKEA SUNNERSTA series is all about maximizing storage and functionality in small spaces, particularly in kitchens. With its affordable price point and flexible design, it's a great solution for anyone looking to make the most out of limited space.